Good morning, students. Today's topic is coordination in plants. As we know that the plants, they are fixed in the soil. They cannot move from one place to another. Means they do not show locomotion. If an organism, say this is an organism, it can be a man, dog, cat. If it moves from one place to another as a whole, पूरी की पूरी बॉडी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाए तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज कॉल्ड लोकोमोशन. It means plants, they are fixed, they cannot show locomotion, but remaining fixed at a point, they can move their stem, they can move their leaves, they can move some of the branches. So these movements, they are called plant movements. Means plants, they can show movements but they cannot show locomotion. Movements in plants can be divided into two categories. First is the nastic movement and second is the tropic movement. Tropic movements, they are directional in response to a stimulus. We will see. Nastic movements, they are non-directional. And plants, as we know, they do not have, neither they have nervous system nor they have muscles. They cannot move from one place to another. So they can show some movements. For example, if we touch the plants, if we touch the leaves of Chui Mui plant, as shown in your book, these are the leaves of Chui Mui plant. As soon as we touch the stem or the leaf, इसमें से किसी भी पार्ट पे जैसे ही हम टच करेंगे तो क्या होता है? The leaves, they fold up like this. तो this is a non-directional movement. What is the result? इसमें कोई growth included नहीं है. But a touch has occurred. This information must be communicated throughout the plant. तो कैसे वो communication होता है? Plants, they change their shape by changing the amount of water in them. जैसे कि ये यहाँ पर leaves थी. We know that the leaves, they are made up of plant cells, and as soon as we touch, the amount of water in the plant leaf cells, it changes. The water shifts to, कहाँ चला जाता है वो पानी? लीफ में से निकल के स्टेम में. स्टेम भारी हो जाती है, then the branch, it droops down, यानी नीचे की तरफ लटक जाती है, और जो leaves हैं, they fold in the upward direction and the stem, it droops down. Second type of movements are trophic movements, which are directional and they are in response to a stimulus. Stimulus क्या हो सकता है? Stimulus can be light, stimulus can be gravity or chemical, some chemical. Stimulus can be water, it can be touch. So these are the stimulus, environmental factors to which plants, they respond, and plant response to the stimulus light is called phototropism. यानी प्लांट का लाइट के प्रेजेंस या एब्सेंस में रिएक्ट करना इज कॉल्ड फोटोट्रोपिज्म. प्लांट्स का अर्थ या ग्रेविटी की तरफ, ये जो स्टिमुलस है इसकी तरफ रिस्पॉन्ड करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड जियोट्रोपिज्म. Response to chemicals is called chemotropism. Response to water is hydrotropism. Response to touch is called thigmotropism. Now let us see. Stem of a plant, it always grows away from the soil, or we can say away from the earth or away from the gravity. The stem, it always grows towards sunlight. So we will say that stem of the plant is positively phototropic, and the stem of the plant is, it grows away from the earth or gravity, so it is, stem is negatively geotropic. उसी तरह से अगर हम रूट को देखें तो रूट, इट ग्रोज अवे फ्रॉम सनलाइट. द रूट ऑफ द प्लांट इज ऑलवेज negatively phototropic, but it root always grow towards the earth, towards the gravity, so we will say it is positively geotropic. Now there are two activities to show, activity 7.2, to show that the stem of the plant is positively phototropic, or to show that root of the plant is negatively phototropic. सेम ये क्वेश्चन भी हो सकता है, और इट कैन बी टू शो दैट स्टेम ऑफ द प्लांट इज नेगेटिवली geotropic, and to show that the root of the plant is positively geotropic. All these they will be proved by same activity. दो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं. ये पहले वाली तो बहुत ईजी है, इसको आप अपने घर में भी कर सकते हैं. टेक अ पॉटेड प्लांट विच वॉज अर्लियर प्लेस्ड इन दिस वर्टिकल पोजीशन. थोड़ा सा ऐसे सेलेक्ट करें कि थोड़ी सी लेंथ हो स्टेम की. नाउ प्लेस दिस प्लांट, इट वॉज अर्लियर इट वॉज वर्टिकली प्लेस्ड, नाउ प्लेस इट हॉरिजॉन्टली, ताकि जो स्टेम है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में आ जाए. लीव इट अनडिस्टर्ब फॉर 2-3 days. आफ्टर 2-3 days you will find that the stem bends in this direction and it starts growing towards the sunlight. And if we are able to see the root earlier, the root was growing in this direction towards the earth. Now it will bend in this direction, and this activity shows that stem of the plant is positively phototropic and negatively geotropic, and the root of the plant is positively geotropic and negatively phototropic. This can be proved with the help of another activity. Take a conical flask, fill it with some water, place a plant, say money plant, in it, and place it inside a cardboard. Now keep this flask, you can take a pot also, keep this flask inside a cardboard which has 3 sides. एक साइड से जो है वो ओपन है, और जो ओपन साइड है वहाँ से क्या आ रही है, the sunlight, it is coming. So if this is placed after 2 or 3 days, it will be seen that the stem, it bends towards sunlight, and the plants, this again proves that the stem of the plant is positively phototropic. This is the activity to prove any of these